Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I want to reply to a comment and also talk to you about making money using launch jacking outside of the make money online space. There was a comment you see here from Side Hustle. It says, "Hello, Gary. I saw your video of sales or income proofs where you are consistently pushing low content stuff like puzzle generators, activity, etc. Do you actually generating sales from other launches ethical like RIMS 5.0? Or just be it some of them were in almost every proof video?" Well, when I show proof here on 30 Minute Marketing, specifically Warrior Plus proof, most of the sales do come from the other channel, which is the $100 a day system case study that I talk about here on the channel, showing you how to build a real brand and a real business and how to make money online outside of the make money online space. Of course, here on 30 Minute Marketing, I do a lot of make money online stuff. But if you look at Warrior Plus specifically as a marketplace and the RIMS 5.0, of course, that's the new ultimate how to do launch jacking review video that I did. I'll put a review up here in the right hand corner so you can see exactly what Side Hustle is talking about to take you back to that comment and the reason for this video, why I'm going to show you inside and explain the answer to this comment by simply showing you inside of my Warrior Plus dashboard. As you can see today, $106.98, yesterday $80.22, and then you can see the month. But the point here is to scroll down and look at the affiliate daily stats dashboard. And when you click that more button, it's going to open up your affiliate stats for the day. And as you can see, a typical day for me is the other niche, the other channel, because in reality, if you were to go up here and you go to marketplace and you go to top products, and you simply scroll down and you look at these top sellers here in the top 10, you'll know from watching the videos here that I do on the channel, the reviews, I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner, that I would never ever recommend any of these products to you or anyone else that is trying to legitimately make money online, because these products just don't do what they say. You cannot trust these products or the vendors to be around for the long term. But the idea of launch jacking is just that, is to come on to Warrior Plus, if you're using this marketplace, and figure out what a good product is and establish a relationship with the vendor as well as your audience and provide them with the truth about the product. If the product is not good, then don't recommend it, but you can still utilize launch jacking to build that long-term effect of trust. Of the trust that you're going to build by giving a real review. And that's why I do the real reviews here on the channel. And of course, that's why you don't see a lot of the results that I show here about the results of what's going on as far as sales proof on Warrior Plus for those products, because I don't sell those products. But back to the top 10 here, and let's bring this down to top 25 and see if we can find the product I'm looking for. And there it is. It's usually always here. But also note RIMS 5.0, which is a product I do recommend, is in the top 12. Link up in the cards to that review as well. But the one I want to focus on here is number 11, and I'll circle it for you, Clickets. If we go over to my channel stats, you will see my Clickets review. You can see the reviews that I've gotten from this, and this is launch jacking. But no, I did not recommend this product. I made no money on Warrior Plus from this product. If you want to think of making sales from this product, meaning recommending the product, people clicking on my affiliate link and buying Clickets, I did not make any money from this review. But you can also see here that I've made $709.91 in ad revenue, as well as gained 230 subscribers, which is worth way more than the money that I would have made from recommending this product. That is just no good. So let's go back to the Warrior Plus dashboard. Again, you can see today, yesterday, this month, and last month, but we want to focus in on affiliate daily stats. Then we'll scroll down and you can see this is today. But what I want to focus on is something that happened last month. And if we scroll up, what you can do is you can change the view and you can go to last month. Now you can see we have this set to last month. You can scroll down. Here you can see Traffic 5 and PLR Wealth. Again, stuff outside of that other channel, outside of the self-publishing space that I do. Traffic 5 being the internet marketing product that I promoted, and you can see it's from Kevin Fahe. Scroll down a little bit further, and I want to focus in on this free WSO IM Affiliate Funnel 2.0. I'll click on that. And here for the affiliate stats for the free WSO IM Affiliate Funnel 2.0. Again, this is a make money online product that's being sold on Warrior Plus that I promote here on 30 Minute Marketing. You can see the earnings here, as well as the sales and hop conversions and all that great information. But if you dig a little deeper, you can understand this a lot more by going over to this video, and I will leave a card up in the right hand corner that links to this video. Earn money and get free leads for affiliate marketing at the same time with Warrior Plus. That shows you how I used my YouTube channel and the ideas and concepts of launch jacking, again, that's being sold to you in REMS version 5.0. Again, link in the cards, link in the description for that training to understand that what you're learning is a strategy that you can use in any niche, a strategy that you can use at any time for any product on any marketplace, as long as you understand what it is you're doing and you're giving helpful information. This is the concept. This is the actual big strategy that you're learning. And this is what I wanted to explain in this reply video to the comment from Side Hustle that you see here on the screen right now. Of course, thank you, Side Hustle, for this comment. And if anyone else has any comments or questions, of course, if you ask the question like Side Hustle did right here, of course, I'll always answer your question by replying, but I just might make a video like this to dive a little deeper so you can understand exactly what it is I'm trying to teach you here on 30 Minute Marketing. This channel is about marketing and about understanding how to make money online, but not always just focused in on a specific marketplace like Warrior Plus, because at the end of the day, you're going to be highly disappointed to understand and find out and know, if you don't know already, that the majority of the products out there that are for sale, no matter what marketplace, are just a bunch of hype and actually don't deliver you results. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the video you see on the screen right now. Click that one, watch it. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.